Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see archive stories on Facebook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on your profile on the top right. Scroll down here and click on settings and privacy. Click on this arrow icon and here you need to click on settings. Once you are in settings, you simply need to scroll down and under your activity, you can see activity log. Click on that option. Here you simply need to click on archive and on the top you can see story archive. Click on that option. Here you can see your stories archive, and if you want to view, you simply need to click on that. Here you can see. So this is a process by which you can see your archive stories on Facebook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.